Q. What is UiPath Test Suite? A. UiPath Test Suite is a software testing tool developed by UiPath, a leading provider of robotic process automation (RPA) solutions. It is designed to help automate the testing of software applications, ensuring their quality and reliability. Q. Where do we use UiPath Test Suite? A. UiPath Test Suite is primarily used in the field of software testing. It can be used by software testers, quality assurance, QA, professionals, and developers to automate the testing process and validate the functionality of software applications. Q. What are the main features of UiPath Test Suite? A. UiPath Test Suite offers several key features to support software testing. Test automation. It enables the creation and execution of automated tests, reducing the need for manual testing efforts. Test data management. It allows testers to manage test data and inputs, ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Test case management. It provides a centralized platform to create, organize, and maintain test cases, making it easier to manage and track testing progress. Test execution. It allows for the execution of tests across different environments, including web applications, desktop applications, and virtual machines. Test result analysis. It provides detailed reports and analytics on test results, helping identify issues and track the overall quality of the software. Integrations. UiPath Test Suite can integrate with other tools commonly used in the software development and testing lifecycle, such as JIRA, Azure DevOps, and Jenkins. Q. How does UiPath Test Suite help in software testing? A. UiPath Test Suite simplifies and accelerates the software testing process by automating repetitive tasks and providing a structured framework for testing activities. It allows testers to create reusable test cases, execute tests across various platforms, manage test data, and analyze test results. By automating testing tasks, it helps improve efficiency, reduce human errors, and ensure consistent and reliable software quality. Q. Can UiPath Test Suite be used with other UiPath products? A. Yes. UiPath Test Suite integrates seamlessly with other UiPath products, such as UiPath Studio, for building automation workflows, and UiPath Orchestrator, for managing and deploying automation. This integration allows for end-to-end automation and provides a comprehensive solution for the entire RPA and testing lifecycle. Q. Is UiPath Test Suite suitable for both web and desktop application testing? A. Yes. UiPath Test Suite supports testing of both web and desktop applications. It provides the necessary capabilities to automate tests for web-based applications, as well as desktop applications running on Windows operating systems. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of testing scenarios and application types. Q. Are there any prerequisites or technical skills required to use UiPath Test Suite? A. To use UiPath Test Suite, it is beneficial to have a basic understanding of software testing concepts and practices. Familiarity with test case design, test execution, and test result analysis can help users make the most of the tool. Additionally, having knowledge of UiPath Studio or other automation tools can be helpful, but it is not mandatory, as UiPath Test Suite provides its own user-friendly interface for creating and executing tests.